In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with Monday.com. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time, making it easier for you to streamline your workflow and manage your finances more efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. If you prefer, you can log in using your Google account by simply selecting the Google option. This will bring you to a list of your Google accounts, so choose the one associated with your Monday.com account to proceed. After logging in, you'll want to head to your specific board where you plan to integrate QuickBooks. This board will be the central hub for managing tasks and projects related to this integration. Once you're on your board, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Integrate. Click on that to begin setting up the connection between Monday.com and QuickBooks. You'll then see a variety of services that you can integrate with Monday.com. Locate QuickBooks from this list and click on it. This will prompt you to use a pre-designed template specifically made to ease the integration process. Selecting Use Template will streamline the setup by autofilling certain fields, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors. Now it's time to connect your QuickBooks account. Look for the Connect button and give it a click. This action will guide you through the process of linking your QuickBooks credentials to Monday.com. Make sure you have all necessary login details for your QuickBooks account handy during this step. Once your accounts are linked, you'll be prompted to provide any additional QuickBooks account information that may be needed. Be thorough and accurate here to ensure that the integration functions smoothly. This might include details like the account setup or data sharing permissions, which are crucial for synchronization between the two platforms. After filling out your account information, you can proceed to the final step, creating automation that will establish a working connection between QuickBooks and Monday.com. Automations are the backbone of an efficient workflow, allowing you to automate routine tasks and reduce manual entry, freeing up your time for more critical activities. And there you have it. With your QuickBooks and Monday.com accounts successfully integrated, you'll now have a seamless system that combines financial management with project management. Remember, efficient systems are not about working harder, but smarter. So, take a moment to explore the new capabilities at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your work processes.